What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. And today I got a Hat Club grill in this box. Now I apologize for the loudness. It is currently 97 degrees in Mississippi. With the humidity, it's like 110. It's very hot and humid down here. Y'all know the vibes, bro. But we finna get into this little short unboxing today. Y'all already know the vibes. Y'all been here. We get into the fitted of the day. Today on my head, I got the My Fitteds. What's this? The Porsche collection. The Porsche. Y'all gonna see what it is. I might put a little lower third down here. But shout out to Rusted Sunset and the guys at My Fitted. This is a super dope hat. All like metallic silver, like some shorts. Milwaukee Brewers, check out that patch. Check out that icy blue brim with that white sweatband. Man, super clean. Saw it on Grail, was a steal, and I had to cop it. All right, next we get into the vibes for the day. The vibes for the day, we got that pineapple lily. I don't know if y'all can see that, but light this bad boy up. I'm on like one of them up because it's hot, but I like to get the vibes going for my videos. All right, now that we got all of that out the way, let's get into this quick unboxing, man. Really excited to see the quality of this hat. I don't think it came with a special pen like the OG ones did. I mean, I would have loved that would have did a different rendition of the pen to keep the OG or whatever. And I heard the pearlescent stitching didn't come at either on these, so we about to see. We about to see. We got our literature. We won't be needing that. Yeah, it did not come with the pen. We got our regular Hat Club pen, like I was saying. Oh Lord. We got the Hat Club pen. You already know, regular smegular. But, oh, got a lot of cardboard on it. Without further ado, bam. We got the Hat Club Red Velvet Toronto Blue Jays. Man, what's that, 1998? No, 1992 World Series patch. Check it out. Pink undervisor with a black sweatband. Y'all know how I feel about black sweatbands. What it made? Bangladesh? Bangladesh. Y'all know how I feel about Bangladesh. Man. Nah, the stitching didn't come back. The pearlescent. Nah, it didn't come back. It was kind of like a sail pearlescent stitching that they had on here that they didn't bring back. Man, anyway, really like some bacon, to be honest. But check them out. Hat Club Red Velvet Toronto Blue Jays. I want the green eggs and ham. That's what I want. Cause that stitching on the logo on the green eggs and ham, super clean and super undefeated. Like, you cannot go wrong with that, for real. But like I said, man, this was just a quick little unboxing for y'all before I go and head off to practice. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share. Tap in with your boy. Follow me on IG at Dalen the GOAT, at Big League Brands. I'm gonna put all of that down here, you feel me? And in the description, make sure y'all tapped in with your boy. And with that being said,